go into the fall, man. Go into the football. Then went to the cemetery, man. Oh, Billy, go to the ball. No, I can't, man. The spirit's in the cemetery.
Too bad, man. You kicked it there.
Do me a favor. Do me a solid. Come on, let's go.
Do me a solid. Come on now.
You ran out of solids, man. Go get the ball. Spirits. They're outside.
Cemetery.
Now I can see the light again. I can see the light. I see the sun.
You're interrupting my song.
The light.
Slave. I don't belong here because I'm mad. I can see the lights shining. And it smells like dead feet and rat balls.
What? She said it smells like dead feet and rat balls. She said it smelled like dead feet and rat balls. What?
Have you ever heard of mothballs instead of rat balls? They don't smell good.
What's wrong with you? Make it mad facial expression. What the hell? 7:05. What? What the hell was that touching my leg?
Touch my no-no place.
Don't knock the camera out of my hand if it
I
breaks.
care about it, okay? I'm being raped.
Knocking chains off your shirt.
Look at the child behind the camera.
It's not gonna turn.
Let me do it. Oh, look at her baby hands. They're like 1 feet long. Oh, dang, that's long.
That is long, so bad.
Her back is 2 inches long.
Her back is 2 inches long.
Her head is 1 centimeter.
What?
Her teeth is 1 centimeter.
Centime seed?
Yes,
What the hell is that?
A centimeter.
Of a seed.
It's a centimeter. A centimeter.
Look at she shining. Big lip Willie. You didn't hear that.
Temporary silence.
Word. Look at the sky. What? It's white. Don't judge my personality.
Don't touch mine.
Oh, please.
Oh God.
Crescent Street.
Boundaries that you can't cross.
Deep thoughts. You must think about it first.
Gotta think. Into the sky. But we're on a train. Oh, y'all are funny. Okay.